everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to trade using interesting method which I used before if you watching my videos. Guys, I'm going today to combine technical analysis and the signals from ChatGPT plus Trader Bot. As I said, I've already tried it before and it seems you guys like it. That's why I decided to test it once more. So guys, here's the plan. I will analyze the market as usual and I will use the signal from this bot as a confirmation of my own technical analysis. And if it matches, I will open a deal. If not, I'll skip it. And yeah, as simple as that, guys. So in today's trading session, you'll see, guys, how I balance my technical analysis and AI-powered signals to find strong entry points. Perhaps you will like the way I trade and you can also try it on your own. Guys, it's time to start. I will explain you everything. It's super easy, so let's go. Okay guys, so let's get started. I will now enter the Telegram channel of the bot, then I click the Get Signal button. And after that, it sends a list of currency pair to choose from. I find and click on the currency pair which I want to receive a signal. Guys, after that, the bot sends us further instruction and here it offers me to open a deal for 5 minutes to go up. Well, I have fulfilled the specified conditions and open a 5-minute deal to go up. Now let's set a horizontal line at the upper values of the candlesticks data. We determine the resistance level here. We see that the price approached this level with fairly confident impulsive green candles, and now after the rollback from the level there was a reversal. Again, green candles begin to form. Guys, that is at the moment there is a certain compression of the resistance level and the bot assumes that in the near future the price will move upwards. I think that in this situation it is quite possible. It is quite possible that this level will be broken, and I hope that in this situation 5 minutes it will be so enough for us, guys. By the way, the bot always sends signals for a period of 5 minutes and it calculates the further movement of the price for this expiration time. Guys, therefore it is quite possible that such amount of time will be totally enough, take into account possible consolidation or rollback down. As you understand, even while analyzing the market, I will try to predict the price movement around 5 minutes. So guys, this way we are going to trade, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
So guys, it's pretty good start. As you can see, the price has indeed continued its upward movement and the resistance level has been broken. Confident impulsive green candles have formed here. So the bot was right and provided us with a good entry point. The price has a decent potential for growth. Well guys, I think you've already understood the way everything works, and so let's continue. So guys, here the bot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes to go up. Well, I will fulfill the specified conditions by clicking the green button. At the same time, we also see that there was a good confident uptrend here. Also, at the same time, there's a resistance level at the top. At the same time, we see that after the rollback from the level, the price turned around and again green candles began to form. That is, at the moment, there is a certain compression of the resistance level, and this means that it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. I agree with the bot, and I think that this is quite possible in this situation. After all, we can see that the price has a great potential for growth, and so guys, we will try to make money on this upward movement. Let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. Well, that's great. There was a certain attenuation after a slight rollback. The upward movement still continued, and as you can see, the resistance level was broken. The price is moving slowly but confidently. That is, the uptrend continues to exist. In fact, we have self-finally managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Also, the bot helped us in this, and so, my dear traders, let's continue. Here, the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes to go up. Well, I will fulfill specified conditions and click the green button. At the same time, we see that at the moment there is a good confident uptrend. The price is approaching the resistance level. Also, at the same time, there is still room before the level. At the same time, we also see that the price has a good potential to go up. That is, the main price lows are becoming higher. The bot assumed that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. I think that this is quite possible in the current situation. We will try to make money on the uptrend, and I hope that 5 minutes here will be totally enough for us in this situation, guys, even considering the possibility of consolidation or rollback downwards. Guys, there is a possibility that there will be a reaction from the resistance zone, which means that the price may roll back down. That's why I think 5 minutes is totally enough. So let's wait for the outcome. So guys, that's great. The price really continued to move upwards. Also from the resistance zone, the price rolled back down, but we still managed to make money on this upward movement. In fact, the bot was right. It suggested us a good entry point. Well, at the same time, 5 minutes was enough for us, guys. Well, let's continue our trading and make a request for another currency pair. So guys, in this situation, the bot suggests that we open a deal down. Well, let's agree with the bot and click the red button. Guys, at the same time, we can see that the price is currently moving in waves. A downward corridor is forming. Currently, the price has turned around and red candles are beginning to form. We can also see that the main price highs are becoming lower. It is possible that the price will continue to move down in the near future. We will try to make money on this downward movement. We also see that there is still room to reach the support level. Guys, the price has room to fall. I think 5 minutes here will also be quite enough. Well, now let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. So guys, that's amazing, because as you can see, the price continued its downward movement. Also, after that, there was a reversal and green candles were formed. But at the same time, the closing point of the deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. This means that in the fact, we managed to make money ourselves, and this means that the bot was right and suggests us a really good entry point, guys. As you can see, my strategy in combination of technical analysis and hints of this chatbot works well. Guys, let's continue. So here the bot offers us to open a deal down. Well, I will agree with the bot and press the red button. At the same time, we see that here at the bottom we have a support level. We also see that from this level there was a rollback upwards, green candles were formed. Then from a certain point there was a reversal. The price again began to move down, and the bot assumes that in the near future it will continue to move towards the support level. At the same time, we can see that there is still plenty of room before the support level. Additionally, we can observe that the overall price potential is declining, so this suggests that the price may continue its downward movement towards the support level. As a result, we can potentially profit from this downtrend. Since there's still enough space before the support level, I believe that 5 minutes is totally enough, and so guys, let's wait for the result. So that's quite good. The price really continued to move down. Confident and positive red candles were formed. And also from the support zone, there was a reaction, there was a rollback upwards. But we still managed to correctly predict the further movement of the chart, guys. Also, the chatbot helped us with this. Thanks to its tips, we managed to earn. And so, guys, let's continue to trade. So in this case, the bot suggests us that we open a deal up. Well, let's not refuse the bot and fulfill the specified conditions. Guys, at the same time, we also see that we have a certain support level here at the bottom. At the same time, we see that there was a confident downward movement. Predominantly red candles were formed, and the bot assumed that the reaction will occur from the support zone in the near future. The price will enter the correction zone and there will be a rollback in the opposite direction. I think that in this situation it is quite possible. Especially after a confident downward movement, it is quite possible that the price will push off from the support zone and move upward. This is the upward movement that we will try to profit from, guys. I think that 5 minutes here will be so enough, and even if the price continues to move towards the support level in the near future, only then there will be a reversal. Even with this development, I think that 5 minutes is enough for us, guys, and so let's wait for the result. So guys, the price really got into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. At the same time, the closing point of the deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. And this means that, in fact, we have managed to get a profit here. The bot was right because it suggests us a good entry point. Guys, the trading situation worked quite well. And so, my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, here the bot offers us to open a deal down. I will agree with the bot and press the red button. At the same time, we also see that we have a support level here at the bottom. And now there is a downtrend. Predominantly red candles are formed and the price is approaching the support level. Also, at the same time, there's still room before the support level. The bot suggests that the price will continue its downtrend in the near future. And of course, this is quite possible in this situation, since we also see that the price has a good potential for a downward movement. The main price highs are also becoming lower, and this is the downward movement that we will try to make profit from. And I hope that 5 minutes will be sufficient in this case, take into account the possibility of a consolidation or an upward retracement. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Great, guys, the price really got into the consolidation zone, but after that the downward movement continued. We got the profit here. In fact, we were able to correctly predict the further price movement of the chart. Okay, the bot also helped us with this, and the price really has a great potential for going down. And as you can see, 5 minutes was just enough for us in this case. Guys, at this very moment we can see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level. That is, the support level is currently being broken, so everything is going well. Let's continue. So guys, here the bot offers us to open a deal up. Well, in this situation, I will agree with the chatbot. We will open a deal here for $4,000. Yes. At the same time, we see that we have a resistance level here at the top, and at the moment there is an uptrend. The price is moving in waves and approaching the resistance level, and the bot suggests that in the near future the uptrend will continue to exist. That is, the price will continue to move towards the resistance level, and of course in this case this is quite possible. After all, the price also has a good potential for growth here, and the main price lows are getting higher. It is likely that the price will continue to move upward. At the moment, we can see that a fairly confident impulsive green candles has formed. I hope that, guys, in this case, 5 minutes will be so enough for us, and yeah, we will have enough time to work on this upward movement. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, as you can see, the price has indeed continued to move upwards. Also, the resistance level has been broken. Here we have a great and confident profit. At the same time, 5 minutes were enough for us here. The price has a great potential for growth. At the same time, the bot was right and correctly predicted the further movement of the chart. Well, guys, meanwhile, I already have more than $8,000 on my deposit, and I suggest that we end here. That's it for today, guys, and as you can see, we opened 8 deals and each one of them was successful. I'm so impressed. Sometimes if you use signals blindly, it will not lead you anywhere. But as you can see, my strategy where I combine technical analysis and extra tools work really well. Guys, don't be shy to use these bot signals as well. I will leave the link down below, and by the way, it's totally for free. Of course, there are traders who only rely on bot signals, but guys, trust me, it works even better if you use technical analysis. Also, don't forget to leave some funds on the deposit in case you will have unsuccessful deals. Just remember, even the tools can make mistakes. So guys, I really advise you to give it a try, and who knows, maybe you will get the first profit even today. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this trading session. And also guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel. So my dear traders, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.